Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video we will show you how to use the remote monitoring function of the Vivo PC software. With the Breas Vivo PC software we offer a best-in-class and easy-to-install solution for the remote monitoring of your patients. Individual patients can be selected and connected to the monitoring system by first choosing the patient you want to monitor, and then connect it to the system. Once a patient is selected and connected, all data will be displayed in real time in a way that matches the display of the ventilator. The monitor displays the pressure, flow, and volume waveforms of which this scale can easily be adapted by simply right-clicking and changing. All the measured values will also be shown on the screen of your central monitoring station in the exact same way as on the Vivo ventilator. In a similar way, another patient can easily be added. First you press the blue plus, choose the patient you want to add. Press OK and start monitoring. As you see, a new small monitoring window is added on the right-hand side of the screen. The patient highlighted in yellow indicates the one who's displayed on the large central monitor section. Switching between patients can easily be done by clicking on the patient you want to see, and a new patient will be displayed on the central monitoring section. It's very easy to add up to 10 patients to one screen. Simply repeat the procedure, select more patients to add, and connect them to the system. Next to the waveforms, it's also possible to display loops or connected effort belts, as well as looking at general information around the ventilation mode, the circuit in use, the treatment settings, and the alarm settings. If an alarm occurs on one of the ventilators, it will be shown in the small window and if selected, also on the central monitoring station. As you can hear, the alarm sound will also be heard via the speakers of the monitoring system. It is important to note that also data from the pulse oximeter, end-tidal C2, as well as the FiO2 can be displayed via the same monitoring system. As you've seen, the Breas Vivo PC software offers you a high-end and easy-to-install solution to remotely monitor your ventilators from one central location. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check the other movies in this tutorial series to get more information on how to download data from the ventilator and how to analyze ventilator data that are stored on your computer. If you want more information, please visit our website on educationbybreas.com or contact your local Breas representative.